Hi everybody, Josh from Flex Trades here at IMTS 2024 in Chicago, Illinois. I'm joined by Zach Toma, Regional Sales Manager in the Midwest for Kawasaki Robotics US. What we have here behind us is a replica of an automated welding cell that Kawasaki put together that I thought's a great example of how manufacturers can stack automation as their automation journey progresses. What should our network know about what Kawasaki Robotics is showing here today?
One of the things that I like to mention to people when we're talking about metal fabrication in particular is that they were bending metal in the time of the Romans, okay? This isn't necessarily new stuff when it comes to actual fabrication, but what we're getting better at is making it easier for people to do. That's what this is about. That's what the automation is about, not to mention safer. So when we're looking at this cell, and you hit it really well when you're talking about some of the ways that you can not only expand your automation, but also simplify it when you have smaller processes, or something that is very near and dear to my personal heart, small shops. 1 or 2 man shops. This country runs on a lot of 1 and 2 man shops. And those guys can automate too if you just bring it down. So we can start at the most simple and just go with the robot. And you can use fixturing that doesn't have to be fully automated, doesn't have to be hydraulically actuated and electronically actuated with automatic clamp holding and all that. You can make bolt-on fixtures if your process lends itself to it. You can use a collaborative welding solution like we have over there. You can use the most simple of things, and you don't even need to have this positioner. You can take that down and have a stationary table, you know, and have the robot switch between those. So these are all just different ways that you can accomplish the same thing, and you can make that very expandable, or you can bring it down to something less modular or less small, all in a modular fashion. Also, we're brand agnostic to whatever kind of equipment you need to use. So this system sets up very quickly when you talk about your coordinated motion. But if you're a Miller guy, if you're a Lincoln guy, if you're a Fronius guy, OTC, ESOB, SKS we're using here, you can use that equipment. You can use what you're comfortable with, your shop is comfortable with, your people are comfortable with, and keep that part of your work culture.